This video is a guide on how to service a rega stainless steel pneumatic sprayer. You will need a general set of tools to complete this task. There are 3 different repair kits. We will be going through the full service kit only. Also available is a plunger service kit and a trigger valve service kit if required. We recommend opening and laying out the parts in full view for easy identification. Before commencing, you need to release all the pressure prior to servicing the sprayer. It is also good practice to triple rinse out the tank. It is also recommended to use gloves when handling used sprayers. For all washers and O-rings, it is recommended to apply silicone grease. Remove the pump cylinder complete from the tank. Separate the brass cylinder from the pump handle. On the brass cylinder, you will find a flat rubber washer. It is important for this to sit underneath the lip of the cylinder. Remove the O-ring from the plunger assembly. It is important to clean out any old grease between the washers. You are supplied 2 O-rings in the kit. 1 is a spare. Remove the cap nut from the bottom of the brass pump cylinder. Inside, you will find a stainless steel spring and a brass pump valve. Note that the brass pump valve has a rubber seat on the end of it. This is to be facing towards the pump cylinder. You will find the service kit includes the spring and a complete valve. Replace all the components. Reassemble the brass pump cylinder when complete. Remove the trigger from the hose director. Now remove the hose from the tank. Remove the outlet tube from the tank. Here you will find the filter on the bottom of the outlet tube. Clean and inspect the filter for any damage. On the top of the outlet tube you will find a fiber washer that can be replaced. This is red in color. Reassemble when done. Remove the wand from the trigger valve. Remove the split pin holding the trigger. Undo the gland nut holding the trigger. The trigger is made up of 12 removable components. 3 components will be replaced using this service kit. The replaceable components are the rubber valve seat, the clear washer, and a hidden O-ring that can be found by dismantling the trigger further. The O-ring is inside the gland nut. Reassemble when done. On the other side of the trigger, you will find a thick plastic washer to replace. You will find another washer between the nozzle and the brass wand. Remove the nozzle from the brass wand. In the back of the nozzle, you will find a small brass mesh that needs to be cleaned out regularly. Cleaning under running water is usually sufficient. Remove the nozzle cap and replace the O-ring inside. The O-ring sits on the second groove. Reassemble the trigger. A replacement split pin is provided. Reattach the hose to the tank. Reattach the trigger valve to the hose director. The filler cap has an O-ring which can be replaced. Inspect the filler cap for any cracks and replace the cap if required. Refer to the parts breakdown diagram found at your local Garrards branch. This completes this short guide on how to service a rega stainless steel pneumatic sprayer. Thank you for watching.